Hey, want to learn coding? Here are 5 best ways to learn coding. Number 1. YouTube hosts numerous channels dedicated to short coding tutorials, channel like Code Help, The App Collage, and Code with Harry. Number 2. Free Code Camp. It provides interactive coding lessons, including short videos. Their content covers popular programming languages and technologies. Number 3. Udemy offers a vast selection of coding courses, including many short, focused tutorials. Instructors create courses on specific programming languages and concepts, allowing beginners to learn coding through concise video lessons. Number 4. Coursera offers online courses from universities and institutions worldwide. Some courses include short video lectures, allowing beginners to learn coding fundamentals through concise lessons. Many courses can be audited for free. Number 5. Geeks for Geeks provides concise articles and tutorials on various programming languages and topics. Their tutorials are known for clear explanations and code examples, making it a valuable resource for beginners interested in short, focused learning. Don't forget to subscribe.